Imagine making money online just by clicking buttons, watching videos, testing apps, or completing tiny tasks from your phone. Sounds crazy, right? But thousands of people are already doing it every day. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best Microwork websites that actually pay users worldwide. Some even pay in crypto instantly. And trust me, number 5 has the highest earning potential. This platform has exploded in popularity recently because users can earn money in multiple ways. You can watch videos, answer surveys, play mobile games, complete offers, and even get cashback rewards.
If you're looking for a simple and beginner-friendly way to earn cryptocurrency online, CoinPayU is one of the most well-known and widely used platforms in this field. It allows users to earn digital currencies by performing easy online activities such as viewing advertisements, completing short tasks, engaging with promotional offers, and participating in surveys. The platform is designed with a clean and user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for people who have no prior experience in crypto-earning websites. CoinPayU supports several popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Dogecoin, giving users flexibility in how they want to receive their earnings. One of its strongest features is the referral program, which allows users to increase their income by inviting friends and building a network, creating a long-term earning potential beyond just daily tasks. Although the earnings per task are generally small, CoinPayU can still become a useful source of passive and active side income when used consistently. Many users combine it with other similar platforms to maximize their overall profits. It is not a get-rich-quick method, but rather a steady and low-effort way to start exploring the world of cryptocurrency while earning small rewards over time. Rapid Workers is a well-known microtask platform that allows users to earn money by completing small and simple online tasks. These tasks may include data entry, signing up on websites, commenting on posts, or following basic instructions requested by employers. The platform does not require advanced skills, making it suitable for beginners who want to start earning online easily. It also offers a payment system based on completed tasks, with withdrawals available once the minimum payout is reached. Although the earnings are usually small at the beginning, users can increase their income over time by completing more tasks consistently. Microworkers is one of the most popular microtask platforms online, connecting employers with users who want to complete simple tasks in exchange for money. These tasks may include data entry, app testing, website signups, or engaging with online content. The platform offers opportunities worldwide and does not require advanced skills, making it suitable for beginners. It also provides a rating system that helps users build a good reputation and increase their chances of getting more tasks and higher earnings over time. Although each task pays a small amount, consistent activity can significantly increase overall income.
Survey Junkie is one of the most popular and trusted survey platforms for earning money online. It allows users to earn cash by sharing their opinions and completing short online surveys. The platform is very easy to use and is ideal for beginners since it does not require any special skills or prior experience. All you need to do is create an account and start completing available surveys, with earnings depending on the number and quality of surveys you finish. It also uses a points system that can be converted into real money through payment methods such as PayPal. Survey Junkie is a good option for anyone looking to earn a small extra income online in their free time.
So those were the top 5 best microtask and online earning websites you can use in 2026 to start making money online. Each platform has its own strengths, whether it's completing small tasks, watching ads, filling out surveys, or doing simple online activities that don't require any advanced skills. The important thing is that anyone, from beginners to more experienced users, can get started right away with just an internet connection and a bit of free time. Now remember, these platforms are not a get-rich-quick solution. You won't become rich overnight, and they are not meant to replace a full-time job immediately. However, if you stay consistent, patient, and active every day, they can slowly build into a reliable source of extra income. Over time, small earnings can add up, especially when you combine multiple platforms and take advantage of referral programs and bonuses. The key to success with these websites is consistency. The more tasks you complete, the more experience you gain, and the better you understand which platforms work best for you. It's all about building habits and treating it like a small online side hustle rather than a one-time opportunity. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any new content. I'll be sharing more ways to earn online, step-by-step guides, and proven methods to help you grow your income from the internet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.